All right. Well, moving on. Let's talk about something about the upfront earnings testing.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is the trip. Now, we Zoom. Are you here? No, are you still napping, bro? It's like goddamn
I think
4:30,
it's still
bro.
his. What's up, Sean Tuber? What's up? Yeah, I think he's still sleeping.
Yeah, he
Getting
slept like
that
at
beauty rest.
2:30. I mean, how long do you sleep? Anyway, so I told him, I go, okay, I'll throw you a bone and then, do this for me. So he goes, there was this nice lady, right? This is the lady's phone with her holding the phone, her iPhone. And this is,
He needs a new manicure.
this is WeZoom's receipt. So he goes, I finished exactly 1 mile early. So here comes Uber. It says your fare was lower this time because the actual drop-off was closer than the one your rider requested. So instead of 27.31, he says it was exactly a mile, Chris. Exactly. In his Tesla Y, he goes, I dropped her exactly a mile before she was supposed to, and she played the game. I go, okay. So instead of 27.31, Uber paid 24.63. What is that? That's like $2.50 less, right? For one single mile.
Yep.
Can you imagine that for one single mile they took $2.50? Because in LA the rates are 60 cents a mile. This is an Uber X, by the way. 60 cents a mile and 21 cents a minute, but they took 2.50. I'm like, what kind of fucking math is this? And then the lady said her initial price at 27.31 was 58.37. Do you see on the upper right hand corner? Kind of faint, but you see it. They lowered her price to 53.37. So they took away 2.5 from Kyle, and they lowered her price by 5. So basically 2-to-1 kind of a ratio, right?
Wow.
So if the trip is short, they're doing it. They're taking the money away and lowering the passengers. So we got to give credit to Uber where credit is due, because we would have thought not a chance on the planet they're going to give credit to the passenger, right? Well, they are. Here comes the hate mail. You Uber shill you. I'm like, they did.
Well,
what do you want me to say?
The pictures are right there. It shows you.
I mean, if you want to question this, then you can question whatever, Mother Teresa. So they cut Kyle's $2.50, and they cut hers by $5. So now we're gonna go do this again this weekend. Test the half
I'm
mile,
telling
1
you
mile.
though, go closer.
Half mile?
Go closer. Not even. I think it's closer.
Bro, come on,
I think
bro.
they're gonna drop people. I think they're gonna start dropping fares. A few hundred feet. I don't think it's gonna be half mile. I think it's gonna be a few hundred feet.
Okay, we'll do this. We'll do quarter mile, half mile, 1 mile. How about that?
Okay. Yeah, start with a quarter mile.
Yeah.
And we'll
Half
go
mile,
from
and
there.
then we go over by quarter, half, and a mile. Let's see what the adjustments are.
I like it.
Yeah.
That'll, and then here's the thing. If they adjust it at the quarter mile, then we got to go closer.
Yes.
We got to find that point where they don't adjust it when it comes to stopping the ride early.
Yeah, but I got to check. I got to be in unison with the passenger, because I got to see her phone or his phone, right? So
yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So one more Taco TV. So do we drop them off earlier but continue? Yes, you take them where they're going, but you just drop them off to see what the adjustment's going to be, buddy.
Yeah, basically it just says it's just basically you end the ride early. Not that you necessarily literally drop them off and say, "Oh, go find a mile yourself." Just be careful with that, because you do have a rider in the car without the proper insurances at that point. So again, just be wary. It's for testing purposes only.
Yeah, we just don't do this.
You don't condone doing that, because you want to get paid your fair share. You want to get paid to the point when you go there. But we all have the passengers that say, "Hey, I didn't mean to go to put it in there. I meant to go, here or something."
Yeah. Well, but you know what? What's the point of doing it on the downside? Let's just do it because they said they're going to adjust up, right? Because we know they're doing it down. We had another case that took away 37 cents. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Let's just find out what this a lot and significant is.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
I'm telling you, I think they're going to front load it. I think they're going to, you're going to have to be, they're going to drop it much closer to the actual drop off location than you as a driver driving beyond that location.
Okay. All right.
I have a feeling it's going to be different that way.
Okay. So I'll do both. I'll do quarter, half, 1 mile short, quarter, half, 1 mile long.
Sounds good.
Yeah, let's see what they are. I
All
gotta
right.
find six. I gotta find 6 passengers to agree with me. It's gonna be tough, but
Yeah. All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.